Take a ride in the 2017 Cooper Convertible. The Cooper Convertible is the drop-down version of the standard Mini Cooper. This is the car that just sips gas. Even if that isn't your concern, the Convertible allows you the same go-kart feel as driving the standard hardtop and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, LED headlights, rear view camera, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, leather-wrapped steering wheel. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.